Alright, y'all, so I got a new vehicle. Yay. So I'm just gonna do a car tour. So let's just get started. What's really cool is, to start off with, is this right here. It lights up. But yeah, so let's just go in. So I have all my little things right there. That's the inside. So let's just hop in and let me show y'all. Okay, so this is obviously the steering wheel. We're gonna start her up. This is really hard to do with one hand. I'll just let y'all know. Okay. Let's just turn her on. So yeah. That's it on. The back seat. Okay, so let's just start from right here and let's go over. Okay, so right here, like I said, is all the little things. So yeah, and then this is the steering wheel. There we go. And then this is the radio right here. Cup holders. And I know this is gonna be so weird, but in my old vehicle, which if y'all have been following me for a long time, y'all have seen that it was so old, and it was like it was an 05 Camry, and this is a 2015 Ford Fusion, and it has, like, if your cup's only this big or bigger, it just pushes in, so that's really nice. And I've never had a touch screen before, so that's cool. So I can like click mute and all that kind of stuff, whatever. So that's nice. So yeah, okay. And then if you go over here, this is the whatever it's called, and it's pretty cool. Sorry, it's like a little dirty. I need to clean a little bit. Yeah, and this is just that's trash, but these are my little smelly good things that I have right here, and I have this one right here, so that's cool. So yeah, and it's pretty deep, and those are just my cords to plug in my phone for music and stuff, so that's nice. And also this is for coins, so yeah. I'm sure none of y'all care, but these seats are so nice. They're so comfy. So this is the passenger side, just like a normal, obviously. And then that, and then let's show y'all the back. And yes, I still have the papers, because I feel like once I take them out, it's not going to be like a new vehicle. And yes, it's dirty. I had people riding in here, obviously seeing my new vehicle. And that's the big back seat. So much room. And it has air back here. I didn't have one like that. And then it has the thing if you need to plug in your phone. Da-da-da-da-da. That's really cool. Let's go in the trunk, because that's really all that's left. And I know some of y'all don't care because y'all probably own vehicles, but I had a really old vehicle, so, you know, this is just really nice, and it has really nice rims and everything, so it's really exciting. So we're gonna open up the trunk. So yeah, and then the trunk, and it's really big, which y'all can tell. So yeah, that's basically it. Nothing too fancy, but also really, really, really nice, I think. So yeah, that's my vehicle. Yeah, I'm just really excited to have a new one. And I do plan on doing a video on what happened to my old one. But whenever I started filming that video, it was right in the middle of me not having a car, and it was just a lot going on. So yeah. but I do plan on doing one very soon, and I can't wait for y'all to see it, and I hope y'all love my vehicle as much as I love mine. And yeah, I'll see y'all very soon in my next video. Bye guys.